Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MediaPad T5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator on the status bar and you'd like to show the percentage, simply enter the settings, and in this left section let's tap on the battery, so it should be on the 4th position from the top. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find the battery percentage option. And as you can see here, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Probably you've got this one, do not show. So of course you've got only the battery indicator. You can pick next to the battery icon, which was applied at the very beginning of the video, or inside the battery icon. So of course it is smaller, however it does not take space from the status bar. So basically it's up to you which option you prefer. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.